Greetings, beautiful beings. Welcome to our 5-minute, A More Peaceful You meditation that can be completed on any day at any time throughout your day. Feel free to sit up with your legs crossed, straight elongated back, with your hands on your knees, facing upwards to receive all of the goodness that this practice will bring. Keep a slight gaze or feel free to close your eyes and breathe here naturally. If it is comfortable, you can loosen the muscles in your face, dropping your mouth slightly open and releasing your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Feel free to lay flat on your back with your legs and arms spread out if this is more comfortable for you. Breathing here naturally with your eyes still gently closed, imagine that you are laying in a hammock on the edge of a beach on a secluded island. You hear the ocean waves roaring in a therapeutic rhythm that has your body deeply relaxed into the bamboo hammock, softly swaying you in the breezy wind. With your beach hat placed over your face, you tenderly remove it and lower your arm to drop it onto the sand. Continue breathing here naturally. You slowly sit up in the hammock, balancing your weight to not flip over, but gaze at the beach where you see the sun illuminating against the aqua water. You effortlessly turn to the side and place your feet in the sand, grounding the tips of your toes into the earth. You stand up and solidly ground your heels into the sand and gather your equilibrium. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then, on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. You begin to walk towards the water, leaving the shade from the large palm trees that the hammock is tied to. The sun begins to beam on your skin, and you feel a warming sensation fill your body. As you look at your skin, it becomes luminescent from the melanin activating from the natural vitamin D. Continue breathing here naturally. Still strolling towards the water, you smell the saltiness of the ocean. The closer that you get, the sand between your toes is no longer dry, but starts to feel wet and sticks to your feet. 1 foot away from being completely in the ocean, you stop and submerge your toes and heels into the muddy sand. Take an inhale with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then, on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. Again, one more deep breath in through your nose, then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. You continue walking and make it into the ocean, feeling the water shift forward and backwards past your ankles as your feet are completely underwater. Breathe here naturally. You continue walking into the ocean until the water has reached your knees, and with your arms down and your palms faced forward, you can feel the water at your fingertips. Take an inhale in with a deep breath through your nostrils. Then on your exhale, let it all out with a deep sigh. 2 more times. Another deep breath in through your nose. Then exhale out of your mouth with a deep sigh. Last time. One final deep breath in. Then exhale it all out. Embody all of this peaceful energy flowing through your body. You turn around and walk back to the hammock. Pick your beach hat up off of the ground, then sit back in slowly. Turn to your side and lay flat on your back, placing the hat back over your face. Breathe here naturally. All right, beautiful beings. As we close this meditation, we manifest intentional thoughts, genuine thoughts, peaceful thoughts. Intentional words, genuine words, and peaceful words. Intentional love, genuine love, and peaceful love. And if you would like to added affirmations and manifestations, we are going to take a deep breath in, inhale to prepare. And on your exhale, we are going to do I am power statements. I representing inspiration, A representing affirmations, and M representing manifestations. I am becoming a more peaceful individual. I am magical. I am divine. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. I am peaceful. I am focused. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am enough. I am here to achieve optimal wellness. I am taking back my power. I am grateful for another day and another opportunity at life. Thank you, Ashe. Now, if you are prepared to move forward with your day, we are going to go ahead and take a deep breath in to prepare and exhale and begin to awaken your body. Open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, close your mouth and breathe naturally. If you are laying down, take an inhale to prepare, and on your exhale, turn over onto your side into a fetal position. Stay here for just a moment and then place your hand on the ground and lift yourself up into a seated position. If you are sitting, uncross your legs, release your arms, and shake both gently. Thank you so much for participating, and we hope that you enjoyed this A More Peaceful You meditation today. Feel free to save this for future reference. We manifest a positive, productive, and peaceful remainder of the day. Peace.